outside leg there, outside leg there. Nice, that's it. Make the 180, okay, 180. Make the full rotation, full rotation, full rotation, okay. Step up. Full rotation, full rotation. Okay, see the full rotation there? Sometimes I think we can do a little bit less of this and spend more time on the full rotation. So when you're looking for that power, don't make it about your shoulder, make it about your legs and your rip, which is your finish. Okay? Stop for more than work on that rotation. Full rotation, full rotation, full rotation, full rotation. A lot of racket. Swing. Full rotation. There you go. A lot of rotation in there. You made the full 180 on that shot. All the way around.